Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my very last moon box by the Gaia Collective. They decided this would be their last moon box as a monthly subscription, and they're going to try something different, I think quarterly. So this is it. This is the last one. So it's got like a little monthly checkup on the sole. As you may have seen the last one. You can have it come randomly to you. I absolutely love the packaging very much. I want to highlight that strength. Every lunar cycle begins with a chance to be born again. And it just got, you know, where you can write your intentions. Hey, stop it. Go outside. Lord have mercy. It's got some pretty neat astrology. So, the Nurturer, Cancer, Moon Male, and just some mantras, you know, to nurtures in our nature, and it just has like information about Cancer season. You guys know that I love astrology, and so, what I didn't know last time is that there was information on here about what's in the box. This is a nice little kind of tapestry thing with like the moon and Cancer. Just really cool little information. Oh, hold on a second. Ouch. Shame on you. Oh, so sorry about that. JoJo has just decided that she cannot stand Bobo, and she wants to harass him. And Bobo is my dog with Cancer, and sometimes that happens because, you know, the dogs can smell it. But anyway, it's got a really nice workbook. I really like this part. It's just absolutely packed full of information. This is really cool. I've got to check into how I can get this spirit daughter information somewhere else, because I really like this part. Looks like I got, it looks like a turquoise pendant. Very cool. I would like to personally thank you for purchasing my design. Here's a coupon code. So basically, interesting. Oh, so this time I did pick what I was going to get, because last time I was pretty disappointed. So this time I was like, why even set myself up for failure? And so I picked, you could pick 4 items. I don't remember picking a bracelet, so maybe that was the item that they picked for me. I think there's 1 item they pick for you, 1 crystal, and then 4 items that you pick for yourself for the full moon box. And then the astrology is an extra $8, and then the jewelry is an extra $8. So this is beautiful. This is Pele, Kuan Yin, beautiful. Oya, and these are nice little cards. Oya, oh, beautiful. Gaia. Oh, I just noticed. Look, Pele's is Aries. Kuan Yin is Pisces. Oya is Aquarius. Gaia is Taurus. Aphrodite is Libra. Mat is Sagittarius. Kali is Scorpio, which is perfect. Spider Woman is Gemini. The Morgan is Capricorn. Demeter is Virgo. Bridget is Leo. Isel is Cancer. My friend's gonna name her daughter Itzel. I'll have to show her this. So just very cool. I'm happy the goddesses landed with me too. I absolutely love this. This is perfect. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I never had a problem with the quality of the items. The quality of the items are very nice. It's just that you can make this box however you want it. Oh, there's a little star. It's so cute. And part of me is torn, because I kind of like the surprise, and the other part of me is just like, there are nice items. So these are Sage That Shit. I love that. These are little cards. have a magical day. I like this a lot too, just to send some magical mail to friends. I do a lot of friendly gift exchange type things in the fall. This is one of the items that I picked, was a little candle, Citrus Shine candle. Smells good. And then this one is the Stress Dough, amethyst and lavender. So, ooh, it smells yucky. I kind of thought of it as Play-Doh, and it totally feels like Play-Doh. Gross. So that's kind of cool. I mean, a crafty person could make some essential oil Play-Doh for their pagan friends. But it's a really cool idea. That's one of my favorite things about boxes, is getting really cool ideas. Oh, this must be the jewelry. Duh. The jewelry, this was $8. This was $8. These two come with it. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 items that I picked. And then this is the thing, the crystal. And it's a big one. Oh, it's a selenite tower. I have a few of these. These are really cool. And it's big. It's a big sized one. So probably over 5 inches. A big selenite tower. Very cool. It's got shavings in the box. Let me just look at that. So the reason it doesn't have like an insert is because all the items are select yourself. And what they do is, if you want to do this and when they come back in the fall, is that they, and I don't know if they'll continue to do this, but what they had been doing is they have like lists and lists of stuff, and you get to pick 4 of those items. So the crystal is the selenite tower, and then just like different rituals and stuff. I'm super pleased with the items, and mostly because I picked them myself, but I absolutely love this workbook, and I need to check into Spirit Daughter because I really like that. So all in all, like, astronomically better than the first box, and I think it's because my expectations were not correct for the first box. So much better this time, and I'm kind of disappointed I'm not going to get a third try because they're not going to be doing this anymore. But I'll be interested to see in how it's going to manifest when they come back in the fall. So thank you for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Oops. And I'll talk to you soon.